Hello everyone, welcome to my video. This is the 13th video of Shell Talk series. As you know, this series is a challenge I make to check my study English process, especially a speaking skill. And then when I look back from the future, I can see my improvement. In the last video, I talked about the body part topic, and I think this topic I think that topic is so interesting. And you know what, with after I released that video, I have remembered some vocabularies in that video, and before I film that video, I have learned some word from my English book. And after that video, now I can remember some of words that I didn't really know yet. That is so fantastic, right? And in this video, I will talk about the podcast channel. And I think this is the race topic to share with you guys here about one of my favorite methods to learn listening English. That's it. So let me talk about more my study listening methods. I'm usually listen from podcast when I go outside for work, and when I at the office while I'm working, I listening to. And one of the way to practice my listening is listen to podcast, and other way is I watching YouTube video. And watching in YouTube video without seeing, just listening. So I finding some channel that help me to practice listening in YouTube, like TED, you know TED channel, and New Money or BBC or CNN channel. The channel will provide me some news about a day on the world. And so I can also up today some news on the world, and it also helps me to practice listen. And another way, as I say, is listen on podcast. That's my favorite way to practice my listening skill. And whenever I go outside for work, I always wear the earphone to listen, and I usually turn on an episode from some I subscribed channel podcast, and my favorite channel a VOA language. That's this channel is very commonly and popular, and this channel speak a little bit slow, so I can hear it very clear and clearly. And this channel also guide me some techniques to learn English. It show me some grammarly, show me how to use some words, like how to use the might or will words, for example. And 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 this channel always release new episode per day, every day. Yeah, and each episode only 30 minutes. This is enough. Then it is enough for me to listening. And each episode will always talk about news on the world, some reports. Sometimes they talk about some famous location, like a park or a real of a famous place. Yeah, so each day is a different topic they talk about, so I can by listening in this channel I have learned a lot vocabulary, how to use the word, how to use the grammarly, and how to speak correctly. Yeah, and important, and the most thing I learned is help me to listening better, and that is one of my favorite channel. Another channel I follow and I following to is AI Speaking for Success. That channel is a mock test of IELTS test. Yeah, and it helped me to listen it helped me to listen and how to do a test, especially is speaking test. And sometimes it show me some tips or trick to pass the speaking exam. And also it show me some ways to learn speaking that is so right, and it fit to me. And sometimes I listen to other channel to make my vocabulary more and more better. I don't know this word. I will this work is about a variety of something. Yeah, I think so. So I will searching this word. Yeah. So in my conclusions, listening is also an important skill, along with speaking skills. So beside of practice sing my practicing speaking, I also practice my listening, and I have shown you some methods that I am applying to my study process, and I think that will be also that will be also a good method for you. Yeah, and I think that's it, and yeah, that's it for, I think that's enough for today. I just share you about my way to practice listening skill, and yeah, so yeah, it's so cute. So I think this video is enough for today. So see you next day. Thank you and bye bye.